Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into GIS Maps Records, everything you need to know for 2025. If you're into mapping, urban planning, or just curious about how technology is shaping our world, this is for you. Let's start with the basics. GIS stands for Geographic Information System, a powerful tool that combines maps with data to help us understand and visualize geographic information. First off, what exactly are GIS Maps Records? These are detailed datasets that include things like land boundaries, population stats, environmental data, and even real-time updates on traffic or weather. Think of them as the backbone of modern mapping apps you use every day, like Google Maps on steroids. In 2025, we're seeing exciting advancements, such as AI integration that makes these records smarter and more predictive. For instance, GIS can now forecast natural disasters with greater accuracy or help businesses pinpoint the best locations for new stores based on consumer trends. Why should you care? Well, GIS Maps Records are revolutionizing industries. Governments use them for efficient city planning, environmentalists track climate change, and businesses optimize logistics. The key benefits include better decision-making, cost savings, and enhanced accuracy. To get started, you'll need software like ArcGIS or QGIS, which are user-friendly and often free. Remember, in 2025, expect more cloud-based options for seamless access from anywhere. One cool feature is layering data. Stack multiple records to overlay maps with demographic info or infrastructure details. But be mindful of data privacy. Always ensure you're using ethical sources. If you're new to this, start simple. Explore online tutorials or free GIS datasets to experiment. Wrapping up, GIS Maps Records are an essential skill in our data-driven world. Whether you're a student, professional, or hobbyist, mastering this could open doors to endless opportunities. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.